Hello everyone, I am Parth Khurana
And I am Naman Sachdeva.
and we both are from APD School, Pitapura Class 8.
We are here to introduce our new project, the Virtual Speaker for AITL Marathon 2020. This project will help the speechless people of India to raise their voices and be employed. Our project will help the speechless people of India as they are not allowed to be employed because of the communication issues they can create because of their sign language. We are here to bring down the unemployment in India through our device Virtual Speaker for the speechless people in India.
In this prototype, we have used a special type of code which is used to transmit telegraph messages and is used by tapping these two push buttons and is known as the Morse code. Also, in this project, we have used other types of electronic components like Arduino Nano, buzzer, LED, two push buttons for dot and dash, and a Bluetooth module HC05. Now I will tell you how this project works. When we will click these two push buttons, the data will be sent to the Arduino Nano in the form of dot and dash. Glowing the bulb and this buzzer will produce sound, and this will notify that the Arduino has received the data. From the Arduino, the data will be sent to this Bluetooth module HC05, and from the Bluetooth, the data will be sent to this mobile app.
0.0.
We have also made our own Android app to receive the data from the Bluetooth and convert it into the speech. Now I am going to tell you about the features of our device. It can be used in secret missions by the military. It can also be used to send confidential messages from one place to another. But the main feature of this device is to help the people in need who cannot speak. Now we will demonstrate how our device works.
And now suppose a voiceless person wants to say hi. So how can he use this device? Now as we can see that the Morse code for H is the 4 times dots. So we'll press the dot dash button 4 times. Now for typing the I first, we will have to type the 2 as H and I are two different letters. And then we will type the I, but as you can see, the Morse code for I is the 2 times dot. So we will press the dot button 2 times. Now we will press the 1. And we can see the hi is encoded.
Message is hi.
So that's all about our prototype. We thought we should do something for our society to solve some of our social and other problems that are a barrier in our nation's development.
I have searched the internet and found about this code called the Morse code. We have made this idea work as a prototype with hardware connection and coding too.
and we have made the Android app for receiving the data from the Bluetooth and converting it into the speech for the wordless people.